Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with the TK. Today you guys, we are going to make some baked potatoes, loaded baked potatoes with broccoli. Let's get into the video. We have here some potatoes we're going to bake. To these potatoes, I'm going to add some oil to the outside of them. Okay, you always add your little oil to your potatoes. I'm going to add some salt, okay, to the outside of the potatoes. And I'm going to add some garlic powder, okay. So that's some oil, some garlic powder, and some salt. And then you're just going to rub that around your potato like so, okay. Make sure that you spread it across. It's going to add flavor to your potato. See the seasoning on the outside of the potato. So I'm going to take my potato. I'm going to wrap it in some foil. Make sure that I cover it good, okay? That's all you have to do for each one of your potatoes. Oil. Now, some people poke holes in them. You can, you don't have to. It's still gonna cook properly. So now I placed them in a pan. I'm gonna put these in the oven. I have my oven set to 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake these potatoes for 1 hour, and I'll be back in an hour. Okay, so my potatoes are done and out of the oven. I'm going to allow them to cool off. I'm gonna show you with this knife that they are done. It's hot still, so I can take the knife and go completely through. And these were large potatoes, okay? You see how I'm cutting them down the middle? These were large potatoes, and it's just that easy to slice through. Now, these took a little longer than an hour because of the size. But for a regular size baked potato, it only takes 1 hour. But these took about an hour and 25 minutes because they were large. Okay, so the only thing I'm gonna do is take me a spoon or a fork, and I'm gonna break up the inside of the potato. Okay, make sure you guys allow it to cool down before you start touching that potato, because it is extremely hot and you don't want to get burned. So go ahead and get the inside and break it up. You know, this is how I'm gonna do my baked potato today, okay? I'm not gonna take it out, but I'm gonna break it up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get ready to put some seasoning on here so this baked potato can have some flavor. Here you see me adding some salt. Add just a small amount, just a pinch. You don't need too much of salt, y'all. And then after you add your salt, you're gonna add you a little bit of black pepper, okay? Add it to your liking, okay? Why don't you guys leave some comments down below and tell me what do you guys like to flavor your baked potato with. Also, I still added a little more garlic powder to my baked potato. Yes, I did. Ooh, y'all, these baked potatoes were so yummy and delicious. I really, really enjoyed these baked potatoes, okay? Also, to your baked potatoes, you can add butter. You can add some sour cream. You can add Philadelphia cream cheese. You can add whatever you like to your baked potato, guys, as long as the flavor tastes really good to you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add me in some butter. Yeah, some butter. You can add butter or margarine. I don't have the fancy stuff today. I'm using some Country Crock. Y'all know about that Country Crock butter? Yeah, it tastes good. And that Kerrygold butter tastes good too. But today we're using some Country Crock. Yeah. Okay, so just go ahead and add you some butter to your baked potato like I'm doing here. Now, after I add my butter and my sour cream, I'm going to go ahead and add me some shredded cheese. This is some shredded cheddar cheese. Well, mixed with Colby Jack too, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and place that on top of here. Like so. Gonna eat good, okay? Also, I'm going to go in with me some bacon. This is real bacon. And I steamed me some broccoli. I bought the broccoli steamer pack. So that's what I'm adding on here. Just some steamed broccoli. It still has a little crunch to it. And it is so good, y'all. It really was. Now, you guys can top your baked potatoes with whatever toppings you like. But I'm telling you guys, this is a very good baked potato to have alongside of grilled pork chops, some grilled chicken, or a steak, you know, something that you and your family will enjoy. So I'm going to still go ahead and top it with a little more cheese because the broccoli is warm, everything is warm, so the cheese can be nice and melted. Now I'm going to add me some more bacon. Because like I said, it's going to be a loaded baked potato with broccoli and cheese and bacon. That's right, a loaded baked potato with broccoli, cheese, and bacon. Y'all see that bacon? So I didn't cook the bacon. I bought the pre-cooked bacon. I always keep a pack in my refrigerator. So that's what I'm placing on top of here. It only takes you about 10 or 15 seconds to heat up that pre-cooked bacon in your microwave. And it's ready to go. It's not too hard and it's not too soft. That pre-cooked bacon is just right, y'all. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a great baked potato. Remember to, if it is a regular baked potato, 400 degrees for 1 hour. If it is a large potato like I have here, 475 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Have a great day.